Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Y'all, the deals at CVS are fantastic this week. I'm going to show you how I got all of these items that you see here, which is $129 worth of items, completely free, and made $2 buying it all. Of course, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that and pop up on the screen what coupons I used. At the very end of the video, I will include pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was at the store. Now, I have 3 quick housekeeping important updates for you guys. The first one, if you don't normally watch my Walgreens video, this week you want to do so because I am currently hosting a $50 gift card giveaway, and you will get entered in that giveaway when you visit my Walgreens haul for this week. So check out that video. Do what you need to do. That way you can get entered in that $50 gift card giveaway, which will be announced next Sunday. Now, the second housekeeping thing that I want to tell you about, if you have not checked out my website, definitely check it out at savingwithchristina.com. But why I mention this is when you go to that website, you're going to get a little pop-up that says subscribe to my email list. Now, I have not started this yet, but I plan to start this week sending 1 email a week. I'm not going to send you a bunch, 1 email a week telling you some of the best deals I found for that week. So if you want to be a recipient of that email, hop on over to my website, savingwithchristina.com, and put your email address in when prompted to do so. The last thing I want to tell you about is something that I use at CVS all the time, and you can currently try it out completely free for the first month, and that is the CVS Care Pass. I think I told you guys in the past, I held out not wanting to get a Care Pass because I don't like to pay for things, and I thought that's just a gimmick. It's like an extended warranty. I don't need that. But I actually did end up getting it, and I love it. So here's the dealio. Use my link down in the video description box below, and you can try out the Care Pass completely free for 1 month. After that, it is $5 a month, or you can pay in full for the year at $48 for the whole year, which is what I did because it's cheaper. But every month, you get $10 in extra care bucks to spend. So right there, it pays for itself. But you also will get items shipped free to your home. You'll get 20% off of CVS brand products. I think it's 100% worth it because I shop at CVS, and just the fact that I paid $4 a month and I'm getting $10 a month back in extra care bucks makes it worth it for me. So if you want to check it out, I have a link down in my video description box. Now, let's get to these amazing deals. Let's talk about the cereal first because you know I love a good food deal. Now, there are a number of cereals that are $1.99 on sale this week. Already a decent price, but we're certainly not going to pay that. I had a digital coupon in my CVS account for $4 off a $15 cereal purchase. I also hopped on the Kellogg's Family Rewards program, and I printed out 3 coupons for $1 off 2 cereals, okay? I also had a coupon for General Mills cereals that I showed you guys. I cut out of the back of one of the boxes that I think I got from CVS maybe months ago, but they don't expire until January of next year. So this is what I did. I bought 8 total boxes of cereal. I bought 4 Frosted Flakes, 2 Fruit Loops, and 2 Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I had the 4 off 15 breakfast cereal CRT. I had 3 of the $1 off 2 coupons from the Kellogg's Family Rewards website. I had $1 off 2 General Mills coupon that I had cut out of the back of a cereal box. So that left me to pay $7.92. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, where I got 50 cents back per box on the Frosted Flakes and 50 cents back per box on the Fruit Loops. Now, my family happens to like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That did not have an Ibotta rebate, but that explains why I bought that one. So I got a total of $3 back on Ibotta, leaving my final cost to be $4.92 for all 8 boxes, or 61 cents per box. But it gets even better than that. Kellogg's Family Rewards has a program where when you upload your receipt, you get tokens, and those tokens can be redeemed for different things. So when I submitted my receipt for this, along with a couple other receipts I had done recently, I was able to cash out to a $5 Redbox code that they sent to my email. So I got another $5 Redbox code completely free for buying products that I was already getting at an amazing price. So if you're not using Kellogg's Family Rewards, check out their website because you can print coupons as well as they have different rewards that they offer each month. Okay, the next one I want to tell you about is the body wash deal I did. I had a $4 off a $25 body wash digital coupon in my CVS app. So I wanted to spend at least $25. Now, the Love Beauty Planet and the Axe, they are buy one, get one half off this week. The Axe are not only buy one, get one half off, but they're buy two, get $2 in extra care bucks. So this is what I did. I bought one of these Axe body washes at $6.29. The second one rings up half off at $3.14. Then I picked up two of the Love Beauty Planet body washes at $10.29. The half off price will ring $5.14. My $4 off a $25 body wash purchase came off. I had a $3 manufacturer digital coupon for $3 off 2 Axe body washes. I had a $3 off any select Dove products digital CRT that also attached to this. I had a $3 off any Axe body wash CRT as well. The Love Beauty Planet, I had a $4 off CRT in my CVS app. And then I printed 2 $3 off manufacturer coupons, and I have a link to that for you in the printable document. So I paid a total of $1.86 for all 4 of these items, and I got back $2 in extra care bucks for buying the Axe, making all 4 of them free, and a 14-cent moneymaker. And this is going to count towards my beauty rewards for this month, so that is awesome as well. Here in just a minute, I'm going to tell you how I used the CVS email coupon that I got for $11 off a $40 purchase. Now, if you don't know, if you are signed up for emails and text alerts from CVS, I am going to drop a link to a video I created. It's a very short video that walks you through with screenshots how to sign up for the email and text coupons. So check out that video because the last 2 weeks I've gotten $11 off a $40 purchase, which is incredible because it allows me to get all of my items for free. Before I tell you about that scenario, I want to tell you about the deodorant, okay? The deodorants, these degrees are buy one, get one half off. So I purchased one at $7.29. $7 for a deodorant. Okay, $7.29. The second one rings up $3.64. Then I got this Dove aluminum free at $9.99. $10. Craziness. Okay, so here are the coupons that I had for those 3 items. I had a $3 off a $15 deodorant CRT. I had a $2 off a Degree deodorant manufacturer digital coupon, as well as a $2 off a Degree digital CRT. That's just like a CVS coupon, not a manufacturer coupon. So I paid $13.92 at the register. Now, I got back $7 in extra care bucks for buying the Axe. I got back $4 back on Ibotta for the Dove. And I got back $3.80 on Shopkick for buying a Degree deodorant as well as a Dove deodorant, making my final cost completely free and an 88-cent moneymaker. Now, a couple of things here. If you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. And of course, Ibotta is free to use. If you're not using Shopkick yet, use my referral code to score $5 extra when you scan that first receipt. So use the code SWC5 when you scan your first receipt. Not only will you get the kicks back for your deodorants, but you'll also score an additional $5. Also, last thing, submit that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because you're going to get some points back for buying the Degree and the Dove products. But again, I went from $13 and something out of pocket down to completely free, and almost $1 moneymaker. Now, here's how I used the $11 off a $40 purchase. I bought these Garnier products here. I bought the L'Oreal Elvive, and I bought the CoverGirl products. Let me walk you through those step by step. So the Elvive, these are 2 for $8. I had a $3 printable coupon that I had printed from the coupons.com app. Apparently, I also had a $3 off to digital that also came off. So I paid just $2, and then these are on promotion this week for buy 2, get $2 in extra care bucks. So it made both of them completely free. Now, I also did this CoverGirl deal, and there is a less expensive way to do it, but these are the products that I wanted. So I'm going to tell you what I did and then how to make it even cheaper. I grabbed the Perfect Blend eye pencil at $6.99. This is the cheapest product my store carries, is $6.99. The eyebrow pencils tend to be the cheapest across the board, but at my store they're $6.99. I just prefer the eyeliner to the brow pencils. I then grabbed this CoverGirl concealer because I wanted it at $7.79. So again, cheaper if you bought 2 of the $6.99 products. But I had a $4 eye printable that I used because I had already used my digital. I had a $4 face digital coupon that I used. So I paid $6.78. And CoverGirl is on promotion for buy 2, get $6 in extra care bucks back. So that made them just 78 cents total, or 39 cents each. But of course, once we have that $11 off a $40 purchase coupon, it's gonna make it all completely free. Now, these are the expensive ones. The Garnier products are buy 2, get $5 in extra care bucks back. I bought these Garnier wipes at $6.99. I had no coupons for this. And then I bought this Garnier Labs Retinol Berry at $21.99. Now, I had 2 $5 CRTs and a $4 CRT. So I had $14 in coupons for this item alone. Now, I'm just going to go, for simplicity's sake, use that 11 off 40 attaching to this, because I didn't attach it to any of the other ones we talked about. So that leaves me to pay $3.98 for these 2 products, getting back $5 in extra care bucks, making it completely free, and $1.02 moneymaker. Now, when I combine all of this, everything that I bought, it all becomes a moneymaker. And there's one item that helped me get there. It's this Vital Proteins. This is the Morning Get Up and Glow. It's priced at $2.49. Now, these are right at the front near the register in my store. They're $2.49. That's what I paid at the register. Then I submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app, where I got back $5.40, making this one little item completely free, and a $2.91 moneymaker. Now, by the time I scanned my receipt, I drove home, this had already processed. So I was able to do this deal a second time, making another $2.91. Buying it, that made everything that you see on this table completely free and over a $2 moneymaker. Amazing deals at CVS. Now, if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. If you found an amazing deal at CVS that I don't have up here, let me know what you found. I would love to hear what you're buying at CVS as well. Don't forget to pop on over to that Walgreens video to get yourself entered to win a $50 gift card. Hope y'all are having a fantastic week. Thanks.